Across Africa, over 400 million people live without safe drinking water or basic sanitation. A crisis that fuels disease, limits economic growth, and destabilizes communities. By 2030, population growth will push water and sanitation systems to the breaking point, unless we act now. ROCKBlue meets this challenge head-on through the Performance Achievement Workshop Series, PAWS. This proven program brings together water utility leaders from across Africa to share practical solutions, learn from global experts, and set measurable goals. PAWS quarterly meetings equip utility leaders with hands-on tools, real-world strategies, and peer-to-peer learning built over a decade of WASH experience. PAWS is creating a united front against water and sanitation insecurity. The African WASH industry is built on relationships. PAWS sponsors gain a seat at the table, working closely with senior utility managers, decision makers, and local water experts to build trust, share expertise, and identify new development opportunities. As a PAWS sponsor, you'll spend quality time with decision makers in focused relationship-driven environments. This is an opportunity to leverage our position as a trusted, credible voice in Africa to build strong relationships, align your brand more closely with sustainability, and turn plans into action. Our gold-level sponsors enjoy exclusive access to new leads before they're made public. Sponsors also enjoy visits to local water utilities and municipalities that partner with us. These visits spark trust, collaboration, and the practical exchange of ideas while deepening ties with water industry leaders and stakeholders in the region. Become a PAWS sponsor today and help create lasting solutions for Africa's water and sanitation future, and chart a profitable course for your company's future in the region. Together, we can ensure that every community has access to safe water and dignified sanitation for generations to come.